Welcome. Let's look at this number 3 question. Simplify sort 5 into brackets sort 145 minus sort 12 all over sort 15. So you can get this problem in sorts. The options are A 9, B 5, C 1 over 5, D 1 over 9. Now to solve a sort problem, the first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you simplify it so that you can have common sorts cancel out. So you can have sort 5 into bracket instead of having sort 147. We know that sort 147 is the same thing as saying sort 49 times 3, because 49 times 3 is 147. Now instead of saying sort 12, we know that sort 12 is the same thing as saying sort 4 times 3. So those simplifications are very, very important. Then instead of saying sort 15, we know that 15 is the same thing as saying sort 5 times 3. So with this, you can see that there are lots of similar terms that can be cancelled out. So you can still have sort 5 into bracket. Instead of having sort 49 times 3, we can have sort 49 times sort 3, still the same thing, minus we can now have sort 4 times sort 3. You are just separating it, everything that is under the bracket. Then here now we now have sort 5 times sort 3. So it's still the same thing. This is the same thing as this. This is also still the same thing as this. So with this, it is very interesting now. Since everything in the bracket is multiplied by sort 5, we can cancel out sort 5 and sort 5. Gone. So next thing there is that you have sort 3 here, you have it here, you have it here. So you can cancel out this sort 3 together with this and this. So you are now having only sort 49 minus sort 4. You can see that it's going down. So what is sort 49? How can we bring this down again? Sort 49 is actually 7, as we know, because 7 times 7 will give you 49, and sort 2 is sort 4 is actually 2, as you know. So 7 minus 2 is what? 5, and that makes 5 the answer to the question, and that is B, 5, and that is the answer. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. In case if you are not seeing what is written here, this is what I have. Sort 49 we all know is 7, because 7 squared is 49. Now sort 4 is what? 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5, and that makes 5 the answer to our problem. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button, give us thumbs up, like and share our videos so that your friends can see them. Thank you, and God bless you.